Qatar's economy is characterized by its substantial wealth and diversified sources of income, primarily driven by its vast reserves of natural gas and oil. In 2022, Qatar's GDP was approximately $236 billion, with a projected growth rate of 4.21%. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, anticipated a real GDP growth of 2.4% for 2023 and 2.2% for 2024, while the World Bank forecasted continuous GDP growth with an estimated $312 billion by 2029. Additionally, Qatar's GDP per capita in 2022 was approximately $87,661, with a double-digit projected growth rate. The IMF estimated a GDP per capita of $87,321 for 2023 and $95,159 for 2025, and the World Bank predicted that it will increase to an estimated $101,000 by 2029. Additionally, Qatar's has a huge investment authority, which manages assets worth approximately $300 billion as of 2022. Qatar's wealth is immense, however. It led us to ponder a question: how is Qatar so much rich, and what is its source of income? Let's analyze this question deeply. Qatar's vast oil and natural gas reserves have long been the backbone of its economy, making it a significant player in the global energy market through the export of oil and liquefied natural gas, LNG. Qatar's oil reserves stand at approximately 25.2 billion barrels, with a production capacity of around 1.75 million barrels per day. The country also boasts the world's third largest confirmed gas reserves, totaling 24.7 trillion cubic meters as of December 2023. The North Field Expansion Project, one of the world's most significant industrial endeavors, aims to introduce 6 new gas liquefaction trains, increasing production by a considerable 60%. In January 2023, Qatar Energy announced plans to construct a 2.1 million ton per annum ethylene project in Ras Laffan, in partnership with Chevron Phillips Chemical Company. This $6 billion initiative represents the largest investment ever in Qatar's petrochemical sector and the first direct investment in 12 years. The Ras Laffan project also includes 2 polyethylene trains, boosting Qatar's total petrochemicals production capacity to approximately 14 million tons annually. Qatar's Third National Development Strategy, NDS3, emphasizes blue ammonia and low-carbon metal manufacturing, with plans to develop carbon capture and storage facilities crucial for enabling low-carbon natural gas and blue hydrogen production. By 2035, Qatar aims to store more than 11 million tons of carbon dioxide annually. The Qatar Investment Authority, serving as the wealth manager for the state of Qatar, is dedicated to investing the state's surpluses to ensure long-term prosperity for future generations. As an investor focused on creating long-term value, QIA actively pursues global growth opportunities across various markets, asset classes, sectors, and geographies. By mid-2022, QIA's portfolio was valued at approximately $360 billion, encompassing global equities, fixed income securities, and alternative investments. As of 2024, the Qatar Investment Authority remains a formidable force in the realm of sovereign wealth funds, managing approximately $475 billion in assets. Qatari banking ecosystem has undergone significant changes driven by the pandemic, digitalization, and heightened accountability across the sector. In 2021, the sector demonstrated strong high single-digit growth in total balances and witnessed several important mergers and acquisitions. The Qatar Financial Center has been pivotal in shaping Qatar's financial services landscape, reporting a 33% increase in membership in 2019, reaching 816 members from diverse sectors, including digital, sports, media, and financial services. In 2021, the digital sector saw remarkable growth, with 196 new firms joining, more than doubling the previous year's figures. Global perspectives are increasingly influencing Qatar's strategic directions as it opens to international markets, with digitalization and cryptocurrencies gaining traction. Despite some hesitancy in traditional banking models, the rise of fintech is transforming Qatar's operating models, particularly in supporting online retail and e-commerce. Qatar has made significant investments in its tourism infrastructure, including luxury hotels, cultural attractions, and sports events, with the 2022 FIFA World Cup serving as a major milestone that boosted tourism and generated substantial revenue. In the first quarter of 2024, Qatar welcomed approximately 1.62 million international visitors, a 40% increase from first quarter of 2023. This surge in tourism led to a remarkable 37% increase in demand for hotel room nights. The hospitality market in Qatar is set for continued growth, with projections of over 56,000 hotel keys by 2025 and an estimated $7 billion investment in hotel developments. The HoReCa and F&B sectors are also thriving, expected to reach a combined value of $13.6 billion by 2026. In 2024, the hotels market is projected to achieve a volume of $635.10 million, with user numbers expected to reach 1.6 million and a user penetration rate of 90.7% by 2028.
Welcome.
In the first half of fiscal year 2023 to 2024, Qatar Airways Group reported excellent financial performance, with total revenue increasing to approximately $11 billion, a 7.4% growth from the previous year. Passenger revenues surged by 28.5%. Qatar Airways received multiple accolades in 2023, including World's Best Business Class for the 10th time and several awards at the Paris Air Show. The airline operates flights to nearly 170 destinations globally, with its hub, Hamad International Airport, consistently recognized as the world's best airport by Skytrax in 2021, 2022, and 2024, and best airport in the Middle East for the 10th consecutive year in 2024. In 2024, Qatar's construction sector is projected to reach $62.95 billion, with expectations to grow to $97.42 billion by 2029 at a compound annual growth rate of 9.13%. Significant government investment in infrastructure for the 2022 FIFA World Cup, including accommodation, stadiums, transport, logistics facilities, and tourist attractions, has boosted the sector. The establishment of the Real Estate Regulatory Authority, RERA, in May 2023, along with favorable legislation, is expected to further stimulate sectoral growth by enhancing transparency and investment and resolving disputes. Additionally, Ashghal, the Public Works Authority, has tendered approximately 116 projects in 2024, worth an estimated $16.2 billion, including new land development, road improvements, and infrastructure connectivity. The real estate market in Qatar is set to achieve a value of $485.60 billion by 2024. The market is expected to grow at an annual rate of 2.43% from 2024 to 2028. Demand for luxury properties in Qatar has surged, driven by foreign investments, particularly in high-end residential areas like Doha. These properties are highly sought after for their modern amenities and prime locations. The residential real estate industry in Qatar is projected to be $4.28 billion in 2024, with experts forecasting a compound annual growth rate of 6.24% over the next 5 years. The inaugural Web Summit Qatar 2024 drew a substantial turnout, attracting a record number of global tech experts. The summit hosted 15,453 attendees from 118 countries and featured 1,043 startup companies from 81 nations, including 10% from Qatar. This event highlighted Qatar's burgeoning technological ecosystem and its emergence as a hub for innovation and entrepreneurship. As of 2023, Qatar boasts more than 2,500 startups, marking a remarkable 200% increase from a decade ago, with the fintech sector leading at 22%, followed by e-commerce 18%, edtech 14%, and health tech 11%. Qatar Science and Technology Park has seen 4.3 billion riyals invested in research, development, and innovation activities by international companies since its inception in 2008, with over 5,000 people currently employed in QSTP. In essence, Qatar stands as a dynamic economic powerhouse driven by its vast oil and gas reserves, strategic investments, and ambitious infrastructure projects. With a diversified economy, bolstered by sectors like tourism, aviation, construction, and information technology, Qatar continues to attract global attention and investment. The country's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and economic diversification positions it as a leader in the region and a hub for entrepreneurship and technological advancement. As Qatar charts its course towards continued growth and development, its wealth, resilience, and vision for the future ensure a promising trajectory for generations to come. Thank you for tuning in to our channel. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.